Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N4 Pro and the G-Mapop dash cam. Get ready for a wild ride of comparisons, opinions, and of course, plenty of laughs. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a mind-blowing 4K resolution with the latest Sony Star VIS-2 sensor. Say goodbye to blurry license plates, even in the dead of night. On the other hand, the G-Mapop dash cam offers a real 4K plus 1080p dual camera setup.
It captures all the key details, making it perfect for providing evidence in case of accidents. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities.
The Vantrue N4 Pro takes it up a notch with its 4K HDR Sony Star VIS-2 Super Night Vision. It's like having a spotlight in the dark, ensuring crystal clear footage, even in challenging lighting conditions.
Meanwhile, the G-Mapop dash cam features crystal night vision with HDR, reducing glare and reflection. So you can rest assured that your nighttime adventures are captured in all their glory. It's time to get connected. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes equipped with faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi and supports OTA firmware updates.
You can easily access your videos and share them with your friends and family through the Vantrue app.
Plus, it has built-in GPS to track your driving route and embed a speed stamp in your videos.
On the other hand, the G-Mapop dash cam offers Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to access and share your footage directly from your smartphone. It's all about convenience, folks.
Now let's talk about versatility. The Vantrue N4 Pro gives you the option of recording in 4K plus 1080p 2-channel mode, so you can capture both the front and rear views in stunning detail.
It even has a rotatable rear camera, perfect for monitoring your luggage or keeping an eye on mischievous passengers.
Meanwhile, the G-Mapop dash cam offers an optional inside rear camera. You can choose to install it on the front windshield for inside recording or on the rear windshield for monitoring the backside of your car. It's all about finding the perfect angle. Now let's talk about safety when you're away from your car. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers not one, not two, but 4 parking modes for that extra peace of mind. Its buffered motion detection allows you to manually adjust the recording area, avoiding those pesky false alarms caused by changing lighting conditions. It even saves the 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected.
On the other hand, the G-Mapop dash cam offers accident lock and 24/7 parking monitoring. It's like having a reliable witness for your car at all times. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra special features.
The Vantrue N4 Pro offers hands-free voice control with 12 voice commands.
You can control your dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, it has an optional anti-glare CPL filter to ensure optimal video quality even on those sunny days.
As for the G-Mapop dash cam, it comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service.
They've got your back no matter what.
The Vantrue N4 Pro is highly praised for its video quality, night vision capabilities, and connectivity features.
Reviewers appreciate its 4K resolution and the ability to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions.
The G-Mapop dash cam, on the other hand, receives positive reviews for its detailed video quality and convenient Wi-Fi and phone app control. Customers also appreciate its cost-effectiveness and easy installation.
Overall, both cameras have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on the user's specific needs and preferences.
And there you have it, folks. The epic battle between the Vantrue N4 Pro and the G-Mapop dash cam.
Both cameras offer incredible features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which dash cam you choose. And as always, remember to buy smart. See you next time.